Hey friends, who's hungry? Creamy Cajun shrimp and corn bisque blends tender shrimp, sweet corn, and bold Louisiana spices. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 medium diced onion, 1 diced green bell pepper, 2 stalks of diced celery, and 1 small diced carrot. Saute until the vegetables are softened, about 6 to 7 minutes. Stir in 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour over the vegetables and stir well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes to make a light roux. Slowly whisk in 4 cups of shrimp or chicken stock until smooth. Stir in 1½ tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1½ teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, and 2 bay leaves. Add 2 cups of fresh or frozen corn kernels and let the soup simmer uncovered for 15 minutes. Remove the bay leaves, use an immersion blender or transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender and process until smooth. Return the pot to low heat. Add 1 pound of medium peeled and deveined shrimp and cook until the shrimp are pink and tender, about 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and season with salt, pepper, or extra hot sauce to your preference. Ladle the bisque into bowls and garnish with green onions and parsley. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.